Good day, everyone. Today I'm going to share with you on how to send money using coins.ph papuntang Palawan Express Pera Padala. Okay, this is very helpful information because you don't have to actually go to the branch of Palawan just to send money, and hindi lahat ng branch ng Palawan dito sa Metro is open. Kung open man, maraming pila. And risky because dahil dito sa COVID-19. So with this application or coins.ph, easy, convenient at mabilis yung transaction. All you have to do is to download and install this application from Play Store and have it uh, fully verified. So let's start now. Just open the coins.ph application. I've set the password for the app, and from here I only have 170 pesos balance, so just press on all, and then dito press mo lang yung remit. So from here just select Palawan Express, tapos dito let's enter the amount. For example, enter natin 1,000. This is just for testing. And you have to be reminded that the once the transaction is before 3 p.m. or made before 3 p.m., pwedeng makuha ng recipient or ng papadalhan yung pera within the day up until 6 p.m. I guess depende sa operation hours ng store or ng branch. So kung lampas ng 3 p.m. naman yung transaction na gagawin natin, kagaya ngayon it's already 6 p.m. so the next day niya pa makukuha yung pera. Okay, so after i-enter yung amount na ipapadala, automatically mag-generate siya ng fee, or makikita mo agad kung magkano yung charge ng transfer fee. For 1,000, the fee will be 30 pesos. Yung pinagkaibahan nga lang dito is that medyo mataas yung rate ng transfer fee niya kung compare sa pupunta ka pa dun sa branch. Dun sa pagkakalam ko, pag dun sa actual na Palawan branch, yung 1,000 pesos is just 15 pesos yung transfer fee niya. Pero dito 30 pesos yung transfer fee for 1,000 pesos. Pero okay na rin, at least hindi ka na pupunta doon pipila ng pagkahaba-haba. So after mo ma-enter yung amount, just press on next, and from here you have to enter the information of the recipient. So first name, yung middle name, it's not mandatory, so pwede mong lagyan, pwede hindi, doesn't matter. Last name, recipient's phone number, and then full address. Sa full address, ang nilagay ko doon is yung email address ko. Okay, so after that, pwede mo ring palang isend sa'yo. Halimbawa kung meron kang pera sa coins.ph mo at gusto mong kunin yun, at walang hindi mo makuha sa ATM or malayo sa ATM at yung ATM branch, at merong Palawan sa inyo na mas malapit, so pwede mong isend sa iyo enter mo lang yung information mo. Okay? Tapos, ito na yung magiging view after. So, after ma-enter lahat ng information, ito na. Once na tapos na yung process, mag-generate siya ng order number. Yung kakailanganin ng recipient na information is this order number and your name. Kung anong name na ginamit mo dun sa coins.ph na application, yun yung ibibigay mo sa recipient, pati yung phone number dun sa coins.ph, yun din yung gagamitin papuntangan na yung gagamitin na i-fill up ng recipient dun sa paper to receive the money. Okay, so as you can see dito, yung full address Gmail yung ginamit ko. So ito na, nakuha na ng pinadalhan ko yung pera. If you will notice, yung sender dito na lumabas is coins.ph PEP. So automatically na-detect ng system na yung ginamit na pag-send is coins.ph, pero hindi ito yung gagamitin na ilalagay dun sa paper para i-receive. So yung gagamitin pa rin yung name mo dun sa application, pati yung number, okay, dun sa sender. Kasi tinanong ko rin yung kumuha ng pera kung anong information yung in-enter niya. Sinabi niya yung name ko daw tsaka yung phone number, pero yung lumabas dito sa receipt ng Palawan is coins.ph, pero nakuha niya naman yung pera. Okay, so walang problema dun. Okay, so yun lang. That's how you send money using coins.ph papunta ng Palawan Express Pera Padala. Easy, fast, and convenient. Thanks for watching, guys. Keep safe and God bless us all. Bye.